During the holy month of Ramadan, Muslim Aid Indonesia shared happiness with the people of Indonesia in Aceh, Yogyakarta, West Sumatra, West Nusa Tenggara, and Jabodetabek region. This wonderful project involved zakat and food package distribution for orphans, refugees, elderlies, people with disabilities, and impoverished residents. In addition, Muslim Aid also held break-fasting events with the beneficiaries. Thousands of people are benefiting from this Ramadan program. Furthermore, Muslim Aid Indonesia pays a huge attention to the livelihood of the Rohingya refugees. In Aceh, zakat, iftar, and food packets were sent specifically for them. As a yearly activity, the Ramadan program has continuously helped thousands of people in fulfilling their basic needs. This program is a collaboration with the Ministry of Social Affairs, Muslim Aid Australia, Turki Dinayat Foundation, Muslim Indonesia Humanitarian Foundation YKMI, National Humanitarian Organization BKPU, Charity Organization Dompet Duafa, Volunteer-Based Quick Response Organization Aksi Cepat Tanggap, Indonesian Red Crescent, Bakri Amanah, and several Islamic boarding schools.